Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add text and dimension at the floor plan on AutoCAD. Let's get started. Before we insert text and dimension, we shall first add new layers. We go to Layer Properties and let us add text and dimensions. Add text and let's select a color. This time I will select light blue. And then another for dimension. We type dimension here. And then I will select royal blue. Then click OK. Then close the layer properties. And then let us first make the text layer as current. Now we are ready to add text at the floor plan. To add text at the floor plan, we first go to annotate. And then under annotative, you look for text and then click the arrow here, the text style. And then let's change the font name here by clicking this arrow. For this example, I will just use Technique Bold. And then I will change also the paper text height into 250. Then apply. Then click close. Now we're ready to add text to the floor plan. We will type MT for multi-text and then look for the corner to position the text and click the other corner and then you click justification here and then select middle center. Then let's type PNB. Next is to the bedroom. Just press space bar to continue the recent command and then select the corners to position your text. Then at the justification, select middle center, then type bedroom. Then enter again or space bar. Then select the corner. And this time we are going to name this as dining and kitchen. Then click outside, then press spacebar for the living area. Then justification, middle center, then type living area. Then click outside to end the text. Now we are done with adding text to our floor plan. This time, we're going to add dimension. Under annotate, you go to dimension and click this for you to go to dimension style. And then here, we are going to modify ISO 25. Then at the symbols and arrows, we will look for architectural tick and add the text. You just click here and then above. Here, centered, and then aligned with dimension line. And then at the fit, we just uh, change the overall scale into 50. And then at the primary units, we are going to change the decimal separator into period. And then click OK. Then click close. Now we are ready to insert or to add dimension. Now we are ready to start our dimension. First, we are going to make our dimension as current by typing LA. And then the dimension here, you select that and then check to make dimension as current. Then close the layer properties. Then start our dimension by clicking this icon. Click here and then use this as guide and then click here. You can limit the height of the extension line by typing the distance you want. For this example, I will type 1500. And then here, space bar to continue the command. Then at this corner, we just click that. Then space bar. We'll just move this up. Then another dimension, space bar, and click here, and then there. And then you can type 2000. Then space bar. And then here, next is at the left side. Space bar again, and then click here and use this as reference. And then move your cursor here. Then click. Then type 1500. Then enter. Then do this also. Space bar again to continue the command. And this corner. And we just follow this as reference. And then the overall dimension, we type 2000 and enter. Then spacebar to terminate the command. We're going to add also the label now, and we call it floor plan. Then empty again, enter, and then here, and then here. And then go to justification, middle center, then type floor plan. Then click outside. In case you have not made text as current in typing this floor plan, you can just type MA, then enter to copy the properties of the text layer. Let's change the text height of this floor plan into 500. So you click that one, then type MO and enter. We are now at the properties and then Under text, go to the height and then change that into 500. Then enter. Then close the properties and then press ESC, terminate the command. And you just copy this one, CO, then put it right here. Then change that by double clicking to scale, then 1 is to 100 MTS. Then move this arrow here so that it will, the space will enough. Then move the text and then space bar. We have already added text and dimension to your floor plan. This has been my video tutorial for adding text and dimension at the floor plan on AutoCAD. I hope you learned something. See you again next time for another video. Thank you for watching.